Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Marvel Rivals error code 2112. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to party up with friends and play competitive matches, especially in larger groups. According to our research, this error occurs because of new restrictions added to the matchmaking system. After a recent update, players who are ranked Platinum and above can only queue in smaller parties. Specifically, Platinum to Grandmaster ranks are limited to 3-player parties, and Celestial and up can only have 2-player parties, while Gold can have 6-player parties. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reduce your party size. If you are trying to queue with 4 or more players while someone in your group is ranked Platinum or higher, then reduce the party to only 3 members. Once done, check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if someone in your party is ranked Celestial or higher. In that case, you need to further reduce the party to only 2 players. Adjust your party size based on the highest ranked player in the group and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error after adjusting the party size, then there may be temporary server-side issues affecting party matchmaking. If that's the case, you will have to wait and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.